Output, you give input to a machine. So there is a machine, you give input and the machine gives the output. You need to see what are the operations that are being performed by the machine. Okay, and that's how simple it is. So I start with this. I give Albert Pinto ko gussa kyun aata hai as an input to the machine. What does machine do? Takes aata at the start and pushes the rest of the word. That happens in step 1. What is happening in step 1 to step 2? Let's see what is happening in step 2. The gussa. Gussa comes at position 3 and it pushes the rest of the word. Okay, some logic is happening here. Then what is happening in step 3? Hai comes. After gussa, I have hai. Okay, G-H-A-A-G-H seems to be going alphabetically, right? And that could possibly be the logic of the machine, where the words are arranged alphabetically. And one word is taken at a time and the rest of the words are being pushed. Okay, so that is what is happening in step 3. Let's go to step 4. What is happening in step 4? Ko. Ko comes and after hai I have ko. So H-I-J-K, again going alphabetically, right? After ko what will happen? Q, right? Q will happen such that in the last step all the words are being arranged alphabetically, and that seems to be my last step. So what is the logic that machine is performing? Arranging the words alphabetically. One word moves at a time. That's it. That's what you're supposed to crack. Now the first question on it. I give you an input, Zindagi na milegi dobara. What is the last step for the following input? So could you imagine what will come first? Dobara, alphabetically superior, will come first. After dobara, what will come? After D. After D, what is alphabetically superior? M, right? M will come in the step 2. And what will happen after that? In the step 3, after M, what will I have? D, M. Then I will have N, right? So again N will come. That will take one more step. That's it. In the step 3, D, M, N, Z, right? All of them are arranged alphabetically. So step 3 is the last step for the following input when all are arranged alphabetically. Next question. Let's take a difficult question. What will be the last step for the following input? The input is how do you solve word-based input-output problem? Okay. Now imagine what will come first. What will come first? Base. Now we'll not write each and every step. Just number it and solve. You don't have to waste much of the time here. Just number. Base will come first. Yes. D followed by 2. Say that will come 2. So I write a 2 over that. After that I require H. H is already there. So I don't take any extra step for that. Be cautious here. So I write 2 over H. Okay. Because it's already there. I didn't take any extra step for that. After H, I input, so 3 for that. After that O, so 4 for that. After that P, so 5 for that. After that S, right? After that S, so 6 for that. After that word, 7. That's it. After word, I already have a U which will be there after the word. So don't fill your register by writing all the steps. Just number it and get the answer to it. 7th step is the last step for the following input. So numbering and solving is something that you have to keep in mind. Okay, that's how you ideally solve word-based input-output problem. Now let's take one more question on this. As I told you, one machine 5 questions. Okay, that's how jackpot problem these are. If the step 3 of a certain input is this, what will be the input? Now he's asking me to go reverse. He has given me step 3 and he's asking me input. If this is step 3, I know first 3 are arranged and flying incredible, right? Alphabetically superior, they are being arranged. Okay, now he's asking me what now? The input. I know AND came first, yes, but where did AND come from? Was AND last, second last, third last? I don't know. I know flying came second, yes. I know its destination, I don't know its source. Similarly, I know incredible came third, but what was its source? Second, third, second last, third last. So I don't know the input for this. Answer is cannot be determined. Remember, in word-based input-output problem, you cannot go reverse. Because you know the destination, you don't know the source in this case. This possibly becomes a problem on permutation. Okay, that's how you solve such kind of word-based input-output problem. So know what is the logic that you learned in this problem? Words are being arranged alphabetically, and one word moves to the start, pushing the rest of the word. This is the logic that you are supposed to crack with the machine. Now this is just one of those logic that I shared it with you. If you open your Endeavour booklet, you will see many more logics. But wait, before I finish with the 7 videos which will help you with all the different kind of logic that you can get in the exam. Okay, see you in the next video.